Hello friends, welcome to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Today it's a very different video than usual. Let's get started. We plan to go for apple picking today. Usually we will be going for apple picking in the month of September, but this year we are a little late. As it was pandemic, we were thinking whether to go or not. Then finally we thought, yes, let's give it a try. Because when it is peak picking time, there will be lot of crowd and we wanted to avoid it. So we have planned it now. On the way we were trying to look for colors, but we see there are no colors yet. Very few colors we can see here and there. I think it will take another week or two to turn to nice, beautiful, vibrant colors. The fall foliage will be very beautiful. I'll be sharing that too with you guys. It was a very long drive. A very beautiful countryside, nice pasture lands with cattle fields. It was a very scenic drive. We enjoyed a lot. Usually we go to many different apple picking farms. We have tried many others too, but this Reese which we are going is the best. So we thought of going the same place. As we are heading towards the north, we see little colors. Finally, we have arrived. This is the apple picking farm which we like the most. But when we reached here, it was a great disappointment for us that there were not a lot of apples in the groves. We inquired couple of families, but there were no apples in the trees, so we chose to buy it from the outlet they had. We bought few bags of these apples and few veggies too. They have large number of variety. Out of all, most delicious is Golden Delicious and the Gala apples as well as the September Wonder is also very delicious. September Wonder, Golden Delicious, Gala apples, and as well as the Honeycrisp are the most delicious ones of all. I prefer to buy only those, so I bought each bag of those variety. And they had lot of organic veggies too, but they were a little bit pricey on side. Just we purchased from the outlet and started back home. It was a surprise for us to see a nice sunflower field over there. Otherwise, that was not in our trip planned today, but we made a good trip. As we were driving back home, we saw a lot of crowd in one place. Started to check what was it. It was a sunflower field. After a great disappointment of not having apples in the apple trees, we were a little bit happy after seeing these flowers. So thought of sharing this also with you guys. Our visit to the sunflower farm. We're just walking through the muddy puddles as well. Full fields, lot of crowd. The flowers were very beautiful. We were a little late in the evening. The sun was gone, but it was nice. We enjoyed a lot. People usually come to these farms, take beautiful pictures with family and friends. These nice golden, yellow, vibrant flowers. See, kids make frowny faces, smiley faces. A sunflower is also wearing a mask. That was so funny to see in this pandemic state. Even sunflowers have become aware of it. It was a very beautiful view to see lot of flowers in one full stretch on both the sides, left and right. Lot of people with their newborns or even newlywed people. Everybody come here to take wonderful pictures. If you want to capture beautiful pictures and fond memories, you must give a try visiting this sunflower farm. Very beautiful pictures. This sunflower farm was just having only sunflower fields. They didn't had any activities for kids, so it's only for taking pictures and having some fun time. The other sunflower farms are with lot of other activities for kids with petting animals and some games and rides, but this was very cheap compared to those who have little kids may opt for that, but only for having pictures and having some good time, this is much more enough. They had these type of benches, some tractors and many other stuff where you can sit and take pictures in between the flowers. We are heading back home. He was not happy that there were no apples. Hope you all like it. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.